pronouncing Dino's alphabet. How many dinos have you met? Let's start with the letter A. Her tail's a club to bash and bang. Stay away if you can. It's Annie. Annie the ankylosaurus. Hello, Annie. He's so big, bigger than us all. Though compared to his body, his head's quite small. It's Bertie, the brontosaurus. Hello, Bertie. Her tooting sounds are just the best. They come from the air blowing through her crest. It's Kathy. Kathy the corythosaurus. One long claw on each of her feet, greater sharp teeth to help her eat. It's Dory the deinonychus. A long curving horn at the end of her snout. If you're ever too near, you'd better watch out. It's Ellie, the iguanodon. Such large hands. Even larger claws. If they get hold of you, you'll end up in his jaws. It's Freddy, the falcarius. Running around at the speed of light. Lots of speed, but no teeth to fight. It's Gary, the gallimimus. With a pointy bone to shade his eyes. Like a baseball cap, but in disguise. It's Henry, the hypsilophodon. His spiky spikes on the end of his thumbs scare all away when he says, "Bring it on!" It's Iggy, the iguanodon. On plants this herbivore likes to be fed. He has a crest on the top of his head. It's Jack, Jack the jaxartosaurus. With spikes on his shoulders and down his back. You'd better be nice or he might just attack. Kenny, Kenny the kentrosaurus. Some friends he talks to through his crest. He changes colour to talk with the rest. Who could it be? Larry, the lambeosaurus. She's got a long neck that's far too heavy to hold for too long whilst keeping it steady. It's Mary, Mary the mamenchisaurus. This tiny dinosaur looked quite absurd. Her peacock-like tail made her look like a bird. It's Nora, Nora the nomingia. This ostrich-like dinosaur never came last. When racing with others, it went super fast. Look, it's Oscar, Oscar the ornithomimus. A block of very thick skull on his head meant if this dino rammed you, you'd end up quite dead. It's Peter, Peter the pachycephalosaurus. Huge bulging eyes make her look quite a sight, though they're great for helping her see at night. It's Queenie, Queenie the qantas. If she tried, this dino could never look down. With such a beautiful frill-like crown. It's Rachel, Rachel regaliceratops. I'm glad this herbivore doesn't attack, 'cause she looks pretty scary with spikes down her back. It's Sally. Sally the stegosaurus. Those tiny arms make her look like she's fun. But don't be fooled if you see her run! It's Tilly! Tilly the Tyrannosaurus Rex. This meat eater could win any war, killing her prey with a single toe claw. It's Uma the utahraptor. This dinosaur likes hunting in packs. She's vicious, small and swift to attack. It's Valerie the velociraptor. This bone-headed dino was really quite small. With all that head banging, watch out you don't fall. It's Wendy the wananosaurus. This dino must have the strangest walk. His ankles don't bend, so each leg's like a stalk. It's Xavier the xenotartosaurus. This dinosaur is the strangest thing, with a bird-like beak and bat-like wings. It's Yasmin the Yiki. This dino had lots of feathery fluff, with beautiful wings to strut and show off. It's Zach the Zhenhuan Long.